everybody, my name is Courtney. I have not thought of a channel name as I'm filming this, but hopefully by the time this is posted, that will be put up online, so stay tuned for that. Also, if you guys want to find out more about my channel, please watch the video that I posted. It gives you a little more rundown of what I'm trying to do here. But today I'm actually going to be making plant-based banana bread from one cookbook that I have. It's called The Kitchen. I think I got this as a gift from my sister-in-law. Thanks, sis. But it's hilarious, the language in here, so just pre-warning. It's not for kids, but so far, I'm not joking, I have tried a good amount of recipes in here. I have tried a good amount of recipes, and I've actually liked every single one so far. So my favorite thing though that I've tried is banana bread. Is one of my favorites. So I'm actually going to be showing you guys today how to do that. So let's get started. So first things first, as you heard, my oven was preheated and it's ready to go. Next step is going to be greasing our pans. I have a spray, it's non-dairy spray, and then it says to flour them. I usually just put parchment paper in my banana bread, but I'm gonna try to follow the directions. It's really hard for me, but I'm gonna try. I don't know why I'm known for not following the directions, but it's okay. The flour that I'm using is actually whole wheat flour, which we are going to be using in the banana bread. So basically when they say flour your pan, all they mean is just to kind of bring some flour around. So I'm going to do that really quick. All right, after you're finished flouring your pans, I believe this is only going to make one loaf, but because I'm using smaller pans, I'm going to try to get 2 out of it, so we'll see. Okay, so our next step is actually going to be adding all of our dry ingredients together. So what we have first is the whole wheat flour. I'll give you all of the measurements in the comments below, just so that I could save a little bit more time and stop trying to guess, because I pre-measured everything already. We also will have some oat flour, which all it is oatmeal. Put in I think I put it in our little blender that we have, and boom, it's done. It's super easy. I thought it was so confusing when I first saw that. I was like, oh no, I don't have oat flour. It sounds expensive. It's just oatmeal. Right now I'm putting some cinnamon. I love cinnamon, and I don't know who decided that cinnamon in banana bread is a good idea, but like, I'm so on board, and I thank you for whoever you are. I just put some baking soda in there, and then along with some salt, and then we're gonna go ahead and mix all these together, and then after that we're going to start smashing up some bananas. All right, so we have some bananas, super ripe bananas. Those are your best ones to pick. I have about 5 of them. It needs 2 cups, which I'm hoping that'll be enough, but sometimes after you mash bananas, it's not always as it appears, sadly. I used to be able to do 2 bananas would be 1 cup, but we'll see what happens. So we're gonna go ahead, put all these bananas in here. If I need more, I have some more bananas, just not as ripe. And then I'm gonna mash these all up. All right, now that the bananas are all smashed, I kind of go crazy on these things because I actually really don't like huge chunks of banana in my banana bread. So it looks to me, I can kind of eyeball a cup. Yeah, that's more than enough, so that's exciting. Woo, 5 bananas is perfect. Next thing we're going to be doing is adding our liquid ingredients to the bananas. So right now I'm adding some maple syrup. Next we have some vanilla extract. I actually got this as a gift, so it's a little bit lighter because it's homemade, but it's super, super yummy. And then also, the weird ingredient in this recipe is going to be the olive oil. We're gonna go ahead and pour that right in. gonna give that a good mix. Okay, so next up we are actually going to be adding the almond milk and the vinegar to our mixture. We're not going to need this fork anymore. We're gonna mix that all up as well. Next step is actually going to be adding our dry ingredients. And so I'm just gonna dump it all in there. There's no specific way with this recipe. That's why I love it so much, because it's so easy. So something a little extra that I do is that I like to add chocolate chips to my banana bread. Honestly, I don't think there's really any other way. It's the only way. So I'm probably going to add that about right now, because you don't want to overmix. You never want to overmix anything at the end of the day. All right, so I got a cup of chocolate chips. I don't know if this is too much or not, but you just can't go wrong with, having too many chocolate chips. All right, so we're gonna just keep on folding that together. I also, on top of the bread, I'm going to be adding some more chocolate chips. And then I have some pecans, I believe. That's what I bought at the grocery store. And I'm adding that to the recipe. Once again, see, I'm already going off track. It's just my thing. I don't know why I do it. Okay, so this is a decent amount of batter. So you can see, this is supposed to make one loaf in a big pan. And the bread is going to rise, but it's not going to be so extreme where it's going to pour over the edges if you feel it too high. I currently cannot get this open. I just used a potato peeler to open this up. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle. Oh, I am so excited. This is gonna smell so amazing in the oven. Oh, looks so good already. Okay, we're gonna sprinkle some sugar, because why not? More sugar the better. Okay, and then I'm going to throw a few more chocolate chips on top, just to remind people that I did put chocolate chips in it. With those, looks pretty yummy. Wow, all my chocolate chips are falling. So good. We're gonna go ahead and bake this for 30 minutes. All right, we're back, and the banana bread is all cooled down. So we're actually gonna go ahead and cut into it and see how it tastes. It was really hard to get the banana bread out of the pan, so I don't recommend putting chocolate chips on it next time. This is very messy, but it seems like it's cutting pretty well. I should have cleaned my knife, but it's okay. It looks like it cooked all the way through. It seems like it's a little flimsy, but we're gonna go ahead and try this. Usually I put vegan butter on my banana bread, but we're just gonna try it as it is. It is so yummy. Chocolate chips add such a good little touch. And also I recommend eating it warm. It's delicious like that. Bananas aren't too much in it. It's the perfect consistency. And yeah, everything turned out great. I totally recommend this if you guys are wanting to make a banana bread. This is my favorite one. And I hope you guys enjoyed my first video. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.